a 2020 Plus 4 2-litre GDI in black with tan upholstery, leather motor heater steering wheel, elasticated door pockets, door check straps, black Union Jack badges, stainless steel wheels, 6,000 miles. We supplied the car new and have done all the servicing on it. Beautiful condition throughout. Also has chrome exterior mirror, sun visors, sports reclining seats, PVC easy up hood, luggage rack with side screen storage as well. Traditional colour combination, absolutely looks the part, and available for Element Sports Cars.